Hi there, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about joint pains, specifically far joint pain, and what causes it, as well as some exercises you can do to prevent it. First, let's talk about what causes far joint pain. It can be caused by a variety of factors, such as arthritis, injuries, and even overuse. Articular arthritis is the most common cause of far joint pain, and it can affect any joint in the body, including the knees, hips, spine, and hands. It's characterized by inflammation, pain, and stiffness in the affected joint. So, what can you do to prevent far joint pain? Firstly, it's important to stay active and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Regular exercise can help to strengthen the muscles around the joint, which can help to reduce the risk of injury and inflammation. Strengthening exercises, such as weightlifting and resistance training, can also help to improve joint function and mobility. In addition to exercise, it's also important to maintain a healthy weight, as obesity can put pressure on the joints and increase the risk of inflammation and pain. This is why regular exercise and a healthy diet are so important for preventing joint pain. Finally, don't be afraid to seek medical attention if you have persistent pain or discomfort in your joints. Your healthcare provider can help to diagnose the underlying cause of your pain and recommend the best course of treatment. So, there you have it, some exercises you can do to prevent far joint pain and what causes it. Remember to stay active, maintain a healthy weight, and don't be afraid to seek medical attention if you have persistent pain. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.